only thing this thing is missing is a 5-point harness, honestly.
Yeah.
But it otherwise feels like
A race car.
a race car. So, everything is set up the same as the Evo.
Yep.
You use your paddle shifter once to go into drive. You still have a push park. You have a pull back reverse, like you're driving an airplane. And our modes are here. A little bit different. In the Evo, I believe it's still, what is it? Something Sport and Corsa.
Yeah, Strada.
Strada, that's it.
Strada, yeah.
Strada,
And
yeah.
this has STO.
Don't make me prove that. Let me.
Trofeo.
Yeah, 2 Italian Americans trying to pronounce it, destroying our culture. I don't want to be.
One, I'm
can't.
done. Yeah.
I can't ruin my, my image. It's bad enough that my married name is Schwickrath. Like, I mean, that's ridiculous. Shari Schwick. Wrath. Shari Schwick. All right, so we're gonna go see Greg and give him a present. Avoiding the potholes at all costs.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, and then what every beginner Lamborghini owner should know is how to put your turn signal on. The first time I learned, I'm not proud of this, I was on the Taconic and I had to merge and I had no idea what I was doing. So the turn signals are actually in the wheel and it's very simple. You press once and then to make it stop, you actually press it like a mouse on a computer. You press the middle and it stops and you go right, stop, but we're gonna go left right now. And then, should I raise? Are we pretty good?
No, I think you should be okay here, yeah.
Whenever you're driving an exotic car, you really should know how to raise and lower your car. Once you raise your car, in a Lamborghini at least, I don't know anything else about the other exotics. I think McLaren does the same thing. Once you reach 50 miles per hour, the car will go back to its default setting and lower by itself.
Yeah. I forget what it is. Keith, I thought, said it was 30 in the Huracan.
It might be. It might be 30.
But then again, I've had it kind of not go down for a little while, so I don't know.
I believe it's 50.
It might be 50, definitely.
Yeah. So here we go, turning blinker.
Yep.
And that, my friends, is how you learn how to drive a Lamborghini.
Well, then let's get to Greg's.
Let's get to Greg's.